Normally, the court of law is supposed to look at the evidences that has been provided by, for example, the people that are accusing the whoever and the defense. I reported these people to the police. I reported the police that seized my work equipment and my license to the higher authorities of the Finnish police, the National Bureau of Investigation. I reported them. I have not gotten any justice. I've not gotten any compensation. I've not gotten nothing. All I got was the cry that I had with my family the night that it happened, feeling so much pain that how can it be if every single customer I have calls the Finnish police and lies against me? Would I even be able to have any business or any income at all? Somebody just called the Finnish police and told a lie against me, and the police just came and took away everything, took away my income, and I couldn't work for several days. I sent the judge all the correspondences that I had with the National Bureau of Investigation about the police behavior against me, the police's misconduct against me. I went to the Finnish police to make a crime report. I haven't gotten any justice. I sent this video that I'm posting right now, where the customers were very abusive towards me. I sent it to the judge, and the judge is supposed to make decision based on the evidences that are provided. I explained to the judge that my lawyer is not around and I don't want to be there because I need a legal representative in the court. I explained it. And I'm found guilty of criminal deprivation of liberty and embezzlement. If I wanted to be embezzling, would I be driving taxi to make income? The judge made a decision against me, and I'm supposed to pay some thousands of euros to the people that are claiming damages for the fare that they didn't pay me, after they have threatened me that they were going to do something against me. I'm making this video because if the police is not going to take my matter seriously, if the police is not going to protect me, if the judge is not going to make decisions that are in my favor, even when I am innocent, then I have no other choice than to make this video, because in the future, I don't know who can check my record, and then they will see that I am guilty of criminal deprivation of liberty and probably don't ask my opinion how it happened, and they probably will think the worst of me. So that is why I'm making this video, so that I can explain myself to whoever goes and checks my record. This is what happened, why I am guilty of criminal deprivation of liberty, and why I'm guilty of embezzlement in Finland. Please, if you are in a position of influence, if you are in a position to make a change, if you are in a position that I am not in, that those people that lied against me and threatened that they were going to do something against me, if you're in that same position, I would like you to please help me ask that judge in this case how he came about that conclusion that I was guilty of criminal deprivation of liberty and embezzlement after I have sent all the evidences. I probably would need to post those evidences online, but I need to think first. Maybe I should post it or not. All the evidences that I sent to the judge, I need to post those evidences online so that the world can see the evidences that I sent to the judge. So then the judge can then explain to the people of influence that will see this video how it came about his decision that I am guilty of criminal deprivation of liberty, of people that did not pay their taxi fare, and embezzlement, of people that left their bags in my car because they were acting violently against me and I drove away to prevent any problem, and waited for them to be sober so that they can call me back and then we can reach an agreement, and then I can bring back their bag to them. I've explained everything to the Finnish police. Everything that I'm explaining in this video, I've explained to the Finnish police on interrogation via phone call, because I was working. I had bills to pay. I was working when they were calling me, so everything is on record. I asked the judge to please ask the police for the recording of the questioning. How did the judge come about that how did it come about the fact that I am guilty of criminal deprivation of liberty What did he listen to? What were his evidences? Would I be in a courtroom without a lawyer? The other courtrooms that I was in, and they said I was guilty of fraud for someone who vomited in my car, and the person paid for the vomiting. The person later went to the police to report me. That case now, we have taken it to the Court of Appeal. I'm supposed to pay that person again thousands of euros for working. Many other cases like that. Just because I'm working honestly. They are doing all these things because they want to put into me the spirit of fear. They want me to be afraid to walk, be afraid to think. They want me to be afraid to talk. They want me to be afraid to be myself. And I reject the spirit of fear because I am not doing anything bad. I haven't done anything wrong. I am not a criminal. I am not guilty of anything. I haven't done anything wrong, so I will not have the spirit of fear. They want me to be afraid. I should be afraid of everybody. I should be afraid of myself. I should be afraid of being myself. I should be afraid to speak my mind. I should be afraid to think, because they would come and be telling me the things that I'm putting on AI. They will come and be repeating it to me so that they know that, so that I can know that they can see what I am Googling. They can see what I'm Googling. They can see what I'm thinking. They want me to be afraid to think. They want me to be afraid to do anything. They want me to be afraid to walk. Daily I'm harassed by police. Some people are sending police to me to harass me. Finnish police will come and be harassing me. They will leave everybody on the queue. They'll be harassing me. Every day there's some sort of harassment or the other. If the police is harassing me, who do I report them to? That's why I'm doing this video. Who do I report the police to? If the police is harassing me every day. If I reported someone, a lawyer who is sexually harassing me and they've done nothing about it, and the Finnish police harassing me every day, what do I do than do this? Be screaming on the internet so that people that are also in their level of power can do something about it, and ask them, what exactly did I buy from them? What exactly did I do to them? Let other people come and be a judge in this matter. What did I do to them? They are the ones that have wronged me. They have done all the evil to me. They have done the worst to me. So what have I done to them? Please, the world, please help me ask these people what I have done to them to deserve all this treatment, this ill treatment. That's why I'm making this video. I'm sick and tired of this. Anybody would. My family is. We're all tired. I've lived in a country before and it wasn't like this. I've lived in Nigeria before and it wasn't like this. So why would I be experiencing all this type of intimidation, bullying, harassment, and victimization in Finland, the happiest country in the world? Please help me ask all these people what I've done to them exactly, what I bought from them and they didn't pay. Please help me ask them what I have done to them. I need the world to please help me ask them. People that are in their equal level of power to please neutrally watch this video and ask them for their evidences of what I've done against them to deserve all this intimidation, bullying, sexual harassment, and victimization that they're doing to me on a daily basis for years now. I've done nothing. I'm angry. I don't know what to do. I'm very angry because there's nothing to do. If the police is intimidating you, what do you do? Who do you report the police to? Who do you report the judge to? Who do you report the prosecutor to? I'm angry. And I'm tired. Please, if you're in the position of power or a position to make influence or make a change, please reach out to all these people that are intimidating me, bullying me, harassing me, and victimizing me, and tell them to go and correct every evil thing that they are writing against me, every evil thing that they are writing in my record, every evil thing that they are doing against me. Tell them to stop it, and tell them to stop it today. Tell them to stop it forever. Tell them to stop telling other taxi people to come and frustrate me, or to tell customers to come and create problems, or to tell people to come and victimize me, or bring traps to me, or try to put some sort of crazy things that I don't do against me. Please tell them to stop it. Please tell them to stop it today. I'm only outside working for my taxi because I'm building my future. I have to pay my bills. I live in Finland and I need money to build my future. I need money to live. I need money to do things. That's why I am doing taxi service with my company. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm outside. I'm not outside because I want to create problems, or because I want to cause problems, or I want to be part of problems. I want to take advantage of people, or I want to do anything crazy like that. I'm outside because I want to make money. Money will not come and meet me in my house, so I have to do something to make money. Pending the time, the things that I should be doing will come. Please help me. If you are in a position to make a change, please help me make this change and stop all these things that are happening against me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate that you listen to this, and I appreciate that you are willing to help make a change to all these things now and forever. I really appreciate that you listen. God bless you. Thank you.